Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the Subtac Off-Road Life channel. You can call me Greg, Subtac, or Mac. It does not matter. Apologies go out to Philip Stein, Fred, Amanda, a bunch of people from September 2019. Bricks Off-Road, Trucks Gone Wild. This is late coming out, and I'm really sorry. But most of you have been watching me kind of know I've been through a time and wasn't able to get a bunch of stuff done. Anyways, that is neither here nor there. Now it is time to go see what happened at that Trucks Gone Wild event. I had a blast. There's a lot of footage I got that I can't put on YouTube, but there's a lot of stuff I got on there too. So without any further ado, let's do it.
Friday, 11:45 a.m. Hey everybody. Where are you guys from again?
Illinois.
Illinois.
Central Illinois.
Central Illinois.
What's up, man?
As soon as I turned the camera on, everybody's like...
We had generator problems, so we're starting here in about 3 minutes.
Is it going that way?
It's going to go down here over the bridge, around the whole property, and then back around the front and back to here.
Friday, 5:06 p.m.
This is the September Trucks Gone Wild event at Bricks Off-Road. I was told it is not as big of an event as the June event. During the day on Friday, it didn't seem as though there were a lot of people. But evening had not yet fallen, and things were about to crank up. Yeah, you are.
Close.
That girl.
Probably scared her.
Pretty sure it's all over there. Pretty sure it's all over there.
I said YouTube gold.
Yeah.
On 2 wheels.
Yeah.
Good job.
I have a 2-stroke at the same frame as that red one right there.
Yeah.
And I do a lot of trick shit on it, and it's fun to do.
Yeah.
And it's easy to do, and I've never done on this one. It's
Oh, really?
much heavier. It's the first time doing it on this thing.
Jeff, you do it.
That was pretty cool.
Get sideways.
Yeah, put this one on 2 wheels. Well, I suppose you could.
You gotta do it while Justin's still sleeping.
There you go.
Oh, almost. He's trying.
Come on. More weight on that foot peg. Put all your weight on that outside foot peg.
Jordan?
You just bail.
I can do it all down now.
I can't do it.
What's his name?
Seth.
Jack?
Seth.
Seth?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Chance.
Chance? Skills!
Sweet.
Nobody took your bike, man.
Yeah, I saw that. Thank you very much.
It was tempting to just drive off and see if it'd go across. I know these things float pretty decent.
Yeah. Hey, man, what's your name?
Marvin.
Marvin? Nice to meet you. Thank you very much, man. Yeah, thank you. What was your name?
Brian.
Brian? Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for all the help. gonna be on it.
I'm gonna be on his website.
He said that was the first time on
Ever.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's like you're broke.
I guess.
Tell me what your name is.
Cody Bell.
Cody Val?
Yeah.
Adriana Bowling.
Angie?
Adriana.
Adriana. Nice name. Thanks a lot. Nice rig, by the way. I like it.
The name of the Jeep is Voltage.
Voltage. Nice Jeep.
Woo! Yeah! That was one heck of a time, let me tell you. Thanks a lot if you made it through this far. I appreciate you watching. I'm going to try to start getting these things back out again, try to get back on track with this YouTube thing and all the riding. I still just got the four-wheeler, sold my trailer, sold my big truck. I've got another big truck, but it's older. I'm going to find me another trailer. But I'm still going to be getting around, getting out there and getting stuff done. I got a lot of footage that I've been able to go out and get. I just haven't been able to put on video yet or edit up. So that's going to happen as soon as I can. And let's hang around and see what happens. I do appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.